GI Railfan here on a muggy September 1st, 2018. We're heading east on 9th Avenue. There is construction happening here in the Tolleston area, so we're going to get a little closer and investigate. We just arrived at Tolleston. Just want to show you guys the major road work that's been going on here. You can see the old track bed that used to sit right here. You can see it on Google Maps how I used to connect to this track right here. This has been severed. And the new track bed has been put into place on this turnout. And this turnout is a part of the new track bed that CXS constructed back in January or February. I have a video up on my channel, you know, that shows when they were clearing out this area, especially the area back that way. Back a couple of days ago, even as early as yesterday, as late as yesterday, I mean, I thought I was hearing trains running on 5th Avenue, but I could be mistaken because these tracks right here don't look like they've been used at all. The tracks are very rusty here. And I think this is the same railroad bed that sat this way. And they're going to connect this segment here. This is not connected to anything, just a long segment of track. That's going to be moved over here, I'm assuming, and connected up there. And connect with this segment here. We're going to walk over there right now. And the diamond should be installed. And this will allow CF&E trains to get to Kirk Yard, if that's the plan. So this is 9th Avenue. I just want to show you guys this track segment here. Now these two track segments used to lay on top of each other. All right. As you can see, the segments have been separated. Interesting, this piece of land right here, this property right here has been cleared out. It wasn't cleared out last time I was here. Now the old Tolleston railroad station from way back in the day used to sit right here at this spot when Michigan Central and Pennsylvania Railroad shared a station here in this location. I just want to step on the property. The old Tolleston station used to sit right here in this spot. Crazy how you can walk on it now. This is the Porter branch, of course. That's my little calling card right there. I just want to see how long it'll be before it was taken off or removed by Mother Nature. Put that there in May. It looks completely different with that track moved over. gonna walk down there too just to check out the switch over there. I don't think I spent a lot of time down there that way. So we're gonna walk down that way as well. Just wanted to show you all the diamond real quick. Every time I come here, I always try to come and get a glimpse of it. To Clark Junction. It's not looking any different. Just documenting it just to show where it is and the condition of it. It's very muggy out here today. These new rail segments here, these look like brand new rail segments. They're sitting here. They're sitting right off to the side of the diamond, which is right there in that pile of weeds. Here it looks like new track segments. I've never noticed these before. It's also pieces of the old diamond over here as well. The old diamond, like I'm confused. You know, it seems to be two diamonds that are scattered around here. There's a diamond sitting off in the pile back there off of 9th Avenue, or was. And then there's pieces of a diamond here, you know. And I know that the diamond was removed in 1998 and then reinstalled and then removed again in 2002. So I don't know if the diamond that they reinstalled was a new diamond or the diamond, you know, because there's two diamonds sitting back here. There's pieces of one sitting back here, and there's another one that was sitting over there on 9th Avenue, unless this is the one that was sitting on 9th Avenue. They just moved it. But these are new rail segments here. The year stamps on these rail say, yeah, it says 2018. And this is clearly old track here. I don't know. Very interesting. Very interesting. See what's really happening out here. I wish I knew exactly what was happening back here. I don't know, and nobody else does either. At least nobody, you know, with a presence on the internet. So here we are. We're walking towards Grant Street, walking towards 10th Avenue. It's cooler over here. This would be the western turnoff, and the northern turnoff would be on the other side back there. Okay, here's the switch mechanism here. The switch mechanism takes trains from off of the Fort Wayne line here, which would be the main line. This is the main line, Fort Wayne. This is the rest of the Fort Wayne line that goes through Gary, southeast. And, excuse me, the turnoff comes off of the Fort Wayne here and it goes that way onto the Porter branch, where trains to get to Gibson Yard and from Gibson Yard get on the Fort Wayne branch here. Well, I'm back here at 9th Avenue, and I stated earlier in the video that the old diamond used to sit right here in the pile. And I got a video where I was, you know, when I went around that diamond and explored that diamond, but I don't see it. You know? So maybe that diamond that I saw back, no. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on. Wait just a goddamn minute here. Boom, see? See? This is the old diamond. See, there's two diamonds back here. See? So there's pieces of a diamond back over there by the new diamond. And then there's pieces of a diamond that's sitting right here. You know? What in the hell? That's about it for my reporting for today. GI Railfan, I'm out.
It's feel good. It's feel good. It's feel good. It's feel good. It's feel good.